Wagwan, beautiful people, it's your girl Tony back with another video, guys. So I have been MIA, I know. Yeah, a lot has happened, a lot has changed and stuff like that, but I will fill you in on what's going on throughout the course of this video. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to eat up some food. I'm not feeling that hungry, but I'm going to eat because I'm planning on driving like 7 hours straight. You know, stop to pee if I have to, but like more than likely I want to drive 7 hours straight and then stop and take my 30-minute break, and then after that I will try to make it to the load because I have to deliver at 5:45 today. It's at a Walmart DC, so you know you gotta be on time, preferably just be an hour early. So yeah, they be tripping if you late, they gonna try to squeeze you in, and you don't want that to happen. So come along on this journey with me today, and I hope you like this video. Cool. Yo, so tell me why I was there looking for, like, because I was trying to look for the GoPro battery and try to set it up, put memory card in it and all of that. I forgot I was using my Ninja grill thingy, because this has been a lifesaver. I am so in love with this. But look how the food burn up. The food burn up, bro. But guess who's still gonna eat it? Me. Y'all gonna see. Well, to be honest, it doesn't look that bad. I like my turkey bacon crispy. Anyways, I want to eat turkey bacon. And this is like an egg something that I saw at Walmart. I tried it. So it's basically egg at the top, turkey sausage in the middle, and cheese. So yeah, I'll just pop everything in the, like, it's also an air fryer too. So it's like a grill air fryer and all of that. The Ninja thing, it does a lot. So I just pop everything in there, you know. And this is like a hash brown situation. So yeah, let me hurry up and eat this, start my pre-trip, and you know, get going. Outside is no joke. Okay, but we're ready to go.
But we got sticks for real. We looking out for the opposition. We don't do this for mass appeal. Don't make me blast it still. I put in work, no Vladimir. They want me to lose, but I can't. Mama shed like 1,000 tears. I can't do that shit to waste. I pull up in Mercedes. Next year you gon' see me pull up in the race. All I do is ball hard, mama told me. With my young Betty Wiz, you was a part of the gang. No, now he getting paid every single day. Yeah, I was hustling, I could turn an 8 to a 28. Let me show you. 12, they can kiss my ass. Yeah, see them lights, but you know I got the strap. Go right up, now he getting paid every single day. Yeah, I was hustling, I could turn an 8 to a 28. Let me show you. 12, they can kiss my ass. Yeah, see them lights, but you know I got the strap. Go right, I push the. I do the dash, on my way to the bag, boy, you know I push the gas. Yeah, okay, my timing is critical. Then on my rhyming is pivotal. Homie, the dash is digital, gas residual. Fire and smoke like I'm leading a ritual. You bet my cash is on. I hit the gas, I'm gone. Riding my wave. I've been stuck in my zone. I bet I blast them all. Sliding on faith. I've been finding my ways. Grinding for days. I've been out shining the hate. All of y'all wanted for praise. Stuck in a phase. Let it and turn it a blaze. Yeah, homie, you don't want no race. Nah, better to stick to your place. Yeah, want it all, I gotta taste. You push on the pedal, now I gotta skate. Yeah, all I ever known. Put me on this throne. Pinnacle. Push my buttons and that motherfucker go. What you know, what you own. Push it and I zone. Red with my young Betty Wiz, he was a part of the gang. No, now he getting paid every single day. Yeah, I was hustling, I could turn an 8 to a 28. Let me show you. 12, they can kiss my ass. Yeah, see them lights, but you know I got the strap. Go right up, now he getting paid every single day. Yeah, I was hustling, I could turn an 8 to a 28. Let me show you. 12, they can kiss my ass.
Okay, so I arrived, guys. I don't think I'm doing good with this videoing. Sometimes I didn't even remember I was videoing, to be honest. I didn't remember that I had a vlog situation going on. So I'm trying to find door 115. That's where I'm supposed to be. So that's what I'm trying to find right now. I think I turned on the wrong section, but I'll find it though. So I gotta find the door, back into it, detach from trailer, and I have some paperwork here to fill out and then bring it to the receiving office. So that's what I'm about to do.
A phase, let it and turn it a blaze, yeah. Homie, you don't wanna race, nah. Better to stick to your place, yeah. Want it all, I gotta taste. You push on the pedal, now I gotta skate, yeah. All I ever known, put me on this throne, pinnacle. Push my buttons and that motherfucker go. What you know, what you own. Push it and I zone.
Okay, so remember my one-woman show. I really wanted to show you guys how I backed in and stuff like that and detached from the trailer and all these things, but another time, because this is like a fast-paced place and I didn't want to waste time to kind of, you know, I didn't have no place I could hook up the GoPro properly and stuff like that. But anywho, I'm just here filling out the information that they tell me to fill out. So that's what I'm about to do right now. Then I'm gonna go into the receiving office, and my dispatcher is trying to give me another load to pick up today, but look, I ain't gonna be no superhero now. That load gonna get picked up tomorrow. I think I need some time to rest, some woosah time, yeah, just to lay down on the bed and just be lost in my thoughts for a couple minutes, yeah. So yeah, so let me tell you more about this company though. So they've been running the crap out of me. The other company, we just didn't work out. I think they were like watching the miles that I've been getting, and I did not like that a lot at all. I like when you run me my miles, because if I'm capable of driving it, run me the miles. Like I want to do, like, as long as I'm capable of doing it, I will, you know. So they were limiting my miles, but this company, hey, they might run me, man, like me a road runner right now, beep beep type of vibe, yeah, do road, yeah. So I like that, and I hope that we have a long relationship with this company. As long as they treat me right, I'll be loyal to them, you know, kill the loads, you know, do what I need to do, don't hit nobody shit type of vibe, and yeah. So that's a one pound, what's a one. That's basically what's happening now. New company, more money, more miles, everything is nice. Hopefully stay like that. Hopefully truck don't break down often and stuff like that, because truck breaking down is inevitable. Like you can't prevent that from happening. That's a part of the truck life, the trucking industry, you know. So let's hope for good things, and yeah, positive vibes, sending positive vibes and positive energy throughout the rest of my truck driving career, and just more life, more safety, more blessings, yeah.